How to subtract integers, the signed numbers. To subtract integers, change subtraction operation to addition. Give the opposite of the subtrahend, then use the rules in adding integers. Example, positive 8 minus positive 4 becomes positive 8 plus negative 4. Minus sign becomes plus sign. The opposite of positive 4 is negative 4. Using the rules in adding integers, kung ang isa ay positive at ang isa ay negative or unlike signs, subtract the absolute value. 8 minus 4 equals 4. Dahil mas mataas ang 8 sa 4, ang gagamiting sign ay positive. Positive 8 minus positive 4 equals positive 4. Negative 9 minus negative 7 becomes negative 9 plus positive 7. Isang negative at isang positive. Subtract. 9 minus 7 equals 2. Mas mataas ang 9 kaysa 7, kaya ang sign ay negative. Negative 9 minus negative 7 equals negative 2. Negative 5 minus positive 6 becomes negative 5 plus negative 6. Kung parehong negative o parehong positive ang sign, add. 5 plus 6 equals 11. Dahil parehong negative, ang sign ng sagot ay negative. Negative 5 minus positive 6 equals negative 11. Positive 3 minus negative 7 becomes positive 3 plus positive 7. Parehong positive or like signs, add. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Parehong positive kaya ang sign sa sagot ay positive. Positive 3 minus negative 7 equals positive 10.